Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,250. The truck has 166,000 original miles and is powered by a dependable 7.4L V8 OHV16V gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in classic white with a tan interior, this two-wheel drive truck has been consistently maintained over the years and remains in excellent running condition. It starts easily, runs strong, and drives great with no known mechanical issues, making it a reliable choice for both work and everyday use. Inside, the truck is equipped with a range of comfort and convenience features, including power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, and cruise control for a more enjoyable driving experience. The air conditioning blows ice cold, providing comfort even during hot weather. In addition, the tires still have approximately 85% tread remaining, so they have plenty of life left. Number 2. 2000 Ford Ranger, price $5,900. It has 160,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 4.0L V6 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, this two-door pickup runs on gasoline and has been well maintained for most of its life, making it a reliable choice for both daily driving and light-duty work. The interior features comfortable cloth seating and durable vinyl flooring that is easy to clean and built to withstand everyday use. It comes equipped with manual windows and manual door locks, offering a simple, low-maintenance design. The truck also rides on a brand new set of BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, providing excellent traction and confidence whether driving on highways, back roads, or off-road trails. Overall, this Ford Ranger has been carefully maintained and remains in solid condition. Number 3. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $7,500. It has 114,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 4.0L gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in black with a clean tan interior, this 4x4 stepside Ranger has been well maintained and remains in excellent overall condition. It comes equipped with brand new tires, fresh fluids, a new windshield, and premium WeatherTech floor mats, making it ready for daily driving or weekend adventures. The interior has been exceptionally well cared for, showing minimal wear and providing a comfortable cabin. The exterior features attractive paint in very good condition, complemented by a great-looking set of wheels and tires that enhance its rugged appearance. With its dependable performance, clean presentation, and thoughtful recent upgrades, this Ford Ranger stands out as a solid, reliable pickup that has clearly been cared for and is ready for its next owner. Number 4. 1993 Ford F-250, price $9,000. This truck has 153,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a gray exterior with a matching gray interior, and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine. It is equipped with the legendary 460 Big Block V8, a 4-inch suspension lift, and rides on 35-inch tires, making it a capable and dependable work truck. The current owner is selling the truck to help fund an upcoming wedding. Despite a few minor dings on the body, the truck remains in solid working condition. The only known mechanical issues are a small exhaust leak and a disconnected sway bar, as the lift kit did not include the correct mounting hardware. According to the owner, both issues should be relatively simple to fix, but they have decided not to invest any additional money into the truck. The truck has proven itself as a reliable workhorse, regularly hauling fully loaded trailers without any problems. Number 5. 1990 Ford F-150, price $7,900, well-maintained classic pickup with only 88,000 original miles. It comes equipped with a reliable automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a blue exterior complemented by a gray interior. Although it is an older truck, it has been used as a dependable daily driver and continues to perform exceptionally well. Everything functions as it should, including the cold air conditioning, heater, 4x4 system, and locking hubs. The truck has no known leaks and cruises smoothly at highway speeds of up to 75 miles per hour, providing a comfortable driving experience that feels surprisingly similar to a much newer vehicle. While the paint is not in perfect condition, it still presents well, and the truck remains structurally solid with a strong, dependable foundation. Number 6. 1997 Ford F-350, price $8,500, powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine and has 318,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, a tan interior, and runs on diesel fuel. Despite the mileage, the truck starts easily when cold, runs great, and the transmission shifts smoothly. Several important maintenance items have already been completed, including a fuel bowl delete, new Motorcraft ZD30 glow plugs, a new rear fuel tank, and a rebuilt transmission that was completed at approximately 250,000 miles. The truck does have a few issues that should be noted. The front driver's side U-joint needs to be replaced, and while the front fuel tank functions properly, the fuel gauge always reads empty. There is also a small, slow transmission gasket leak. Cosmetically, the body has typical dents and scratches for its age, along with a small rust hole on the driver's side A-pillar near the windshield. Number 7. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500. This truck is a well-maintained 4x4 standard cab short box that has been driven 162,000 miles. It features a reliable automatic transmission, a gasoline-powered 305 V8 engine, a striking red exterior paired with a clean gray interior, and is ready for its next owner. The truck has received numerous recent upgrades, including all new AC components, calipers, rotors, brake pads, sway links, speakers, and a new fan clutch. It starts right up, runs smoothly, drives straight, and is a true turnkey driver. Everything is in proper working order, including the power windows, power locks, cruise control, cassette player, radio, lights, and windshield wipers. It also comes equipped with an auto start system for added convenience, along with 2 keys and 2 key fobs. Number 8. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. Dependable full-size pickup that has been well-maintained and is ready for its next owner. It has 178,000 miles, is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission, and is powered by a reliable gasoline engine. Finished in a bold red exterior with a clean tan interior, this Sierra offers a classic appearance that has aged well. The truck has recently received a fresh oil change and a complete transmission flush, reflecting the care it has received to keep it running strong. It comes with a clean title in hand, providing added confidence for the buyer. Whether it's needed for daily commuting, hauling, light towing, or weekend adventures, this 1998 GMC Sierra 1500 4x4 delivers the durability, capability, and reliability that these classic GMC trucks are known for. Number 9. 1997 Ford F-150, price $3,550. It has 170,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 4.6L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior, a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has been well maintained and recently received a new battery, ignition coils, spark plug wires, fresh oil, and new filters. It also comes equipped with a brand new AC compressor that delivers ice-cold air conditioning. The exterior has been refreshed with new paint, giving the truck a clean and attractive appearance. It also includes a stow hitch for added towing convenience. Both the engine and transmission are in excellent condition, and the truck runs and drives great. Number 10. 1998 Ford F-150, price $3,500. This truck has 188,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a burgundy exterior paired with a gray interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has a strong running engine, a smooth shifting transmission, and cold air conditioning. The interior is in good condition, while the exterior paint has some clear coat fading consistent with its age. It also comes with a large toolbox for added storage and utility. The tires are nearly new, the battery was replaced approximately 6 months ago, and it has recently received a fresh oil change. The only known issue is that it may need a new drive belt, but overall it remains a solid and dependable pickup.